Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Python for Visual Studio Code in Windows 11. We already have Visual Studio Code installed, we have Windows 11, we just need Python, so in order to install that we need to go find it. So go to Google and we're going to search for Python download. Click on the first link from python.org. And here it says download the latest version for Windows. That's what we have. So we're going to go ahead and click that. So start the download. All right, it's downloaded. Go find the file. Here's our file. Double click it to start the installation. All right, so we can go ahead and click install now, but we should also add this check mark right here. Add python.exe to path. Very important. Go ahead and click install now. Yes to approve, and then we wait for it to install. Meanwhile, we can close that right there, right there. Wait for it to finish. Setup was successful, so go ahead and click close. Now let's open Visual Studio Code. All right, so I want to look for some extensions that we need to install so we can write better Python. And the first one is this Python IntelliSense or Pylance. Go ahead and click install. It's installing. All right, so that installed successfully. If I click on that, yep, it's installed. Another one that I like to install is Code Runner. Code Runner basically gives you a little button so you can run any type of program easily. All right, so it's installed. Now let's go ahead and make a new file, a new Python file. Just add something real quick. All right, so go ahead and save that file. Just save it in here. We'll call it test.py. Sure. All right, so there's our first file. Let's go make sure that we do have Python. So there's certain things that we can do. We can do a Python version. Maybe it's so it does tell you that you have Python 3.11. So we do have Python installed. We can now run the file. Look. Control Z. Okay. Oh, it's under under a different path. So CD documents, and that's where the file lives. Okay, yeah. So we can go ahead and do Python test.py. This is my first Python program. So yes, Python is installed and everything's working. Another thing you can do is if you want to run that, we install that Code Runner. You can just click on this, and here's it running the program. Well, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.